Okay.
That's so cute.
I had two Charlotte.
She don't. What about the wreath? Oh. Oh. I wonder if it's the fluffy thing on you. That one little monkey come and just stood up and looked at her.
It touched the glass.
That one?
Oh, he's. Look.
You can see the one over there looking at it.
No, look at this one. Look.
My friend.
Hello. So I'm going to give you a little update as to where we are right now. We decided to go to the Natural Bridge Zoo. We were going to go to the Virginia African Safari drive-thru. It's actually 3 minutes up the road from the zoo here. You can feed animals here. You can feed animals there, in your car, driving through. It's a little more expensive over there, and you still have to pay for buckets of food on top of that, and you still have to pay for food here too, but it's a little cheaper, just for price comparison. I guess we largely just decided on this one because we didn't really mind either one. I think we'll come back someday and do the safari. I think it would be cool. I'm cool with feeding animals either way. Wherever we're going, there's animals, I'm happy, so.
I can put my hand in there.
So, funny thing, both my mom and I are thinking it would have been a better choice if we'd gone to the safari park drive-thru. Hey! Hello! Hello! How are you? Hi! Watching you.
I know, but he put his hair up.
Hello. Hello. Pretty bird. Hello. Hello. Hi, bird. Pretty bird.
Hello. How are ya?
Over. Come over. No.
How do I get to the camera, Mom? Hey, bud.
Over. There you go. Her.
There, I found it.
Here you go. Sarita. Sarita, take it, Sarita.
I am. Except Mom's hand was in it.
Now see how it's delayed? I'm going.
Why are you mad? Somebody's gonna bite me. That was weird. Hi.
Here it comes.
Up and over. Oh god, it's so weird. You get this perspective
Hi.
too. Hi.
Hi.
Ew. The way its tongue moves around the thing. Ew. Dodge the drop, Sarita.
No, it's not.
Watch.
Not for him.
It's okay, Mom. Just keep going.
Ooh.
I like it.
If he's like, that's exactly what he sounds like. They're like, but more.
He kind of is.
Oh!
Hey, you want closer?
Wow.
Hey.
Fancy.
Hi. Look at that. Look
That was
at you.
fancy.
How you doing?
Oh,
How you doing?
It looks sad in the corner.
I know. It's the way it's hanging, it's funny.
Wow.
I'm just gonna sit down.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, these remind me of Angelica's. Yeah. Go to the window. I'm kidding now. Go to the window over there. Oh yeah, how do you get them to come like they're waiting? Anyone? Anyone?
What did I say? At least it didn't.
It's picking at your hair. Here. What does it want with your hair? It finds your hair very interesting. Okay, that's so weird.
You're telling me.
You didn't even want the food. My bird is partying. Bird is ridiculous. Are you bringing it home, Dad?
I'm gonna bring it home.
Dad's having a time right now.
Are they both blue?
Yeah. They're mirroring each other. Oh, I think. Oh, there they go.
Both of them gone?
All right, now cover your head. We have to go.
This one's just kind of riding in that.
Look at the cute baby, though. That is struggle to get up there.
Come here. Yeah, come here.
Look at him. He's I don't know if we're allowed to pet him, but it's just like. Well, look, it keeps like sticking its nose through, and then
It's a deer.